Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how to restore the missing camera icon from your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For this, first of all, unlock your phone, hold your home screen anywhere for few seconds. Click on the wallpaper and style icon on the bottom left of your screen. Click on your lock screen, which is the first option. You can see the plus icon on the bottom right of your home screen. Click on the plus icon. And then you can see different options here. Just swipe down and then click on camera icon. Click on done. And this is how you can restore the missing camera icon on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thank you.